Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get the middle character. Let's check this one out. It's not too long. It said you are going to be given a word. Your job is to return the middle character of the word. If the word's length is odd, return the middle character. If the word length is even, return the middle two characters. Okay, so if it's even, return the middle two. If it's odd, just return the middle. Okay, I can have an idea of how we can do this. Just thinking about it. So this one right here is even. So I would get the length. This one is 0, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would I would start from 0, 1 to 2. Let's see, this one is, this one's even as well. Yeah, the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I cut that in half, that would give me, of course, 3. 6 divided by 2 will give me 3. If I start on 0, 1, 2, if I start at 3 minus half minus 1, so if I cut this in half and do minus 1, so that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 2 minus 1 will put you at 2. So you can do 2 up to 2 plus 1. 0, 1, 2 plus 1 would give me those. I just want to test to see if that works all the time though. I have to make up my own test for another even one testing today. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So what I can do is do 12 divided by 2 would give me 6 minus 1, and I would get 5 and 6. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I should get these two, I believe. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These two, I believe. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Well, I think that's how that's gonna go. And if it's odd, so this is 0, was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 divided by 2, get 3.5. So maybe just that 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. Yep. And if it's just 1, just return that 1. Okay, so I can think of an algorithm from here. Let's go ahead and copy this. This is going to be called, I think it was get middle characters or something. .js. Add that. And side, so we can do some prep work. So now we can do some prep work. P, R, E, and P. What are the parameters that we're going to get? We're given a word, so that's going to be a string. Word as a string, and we're going to return the middle character of the word. Return the middle character of the word. The word length is odd, return the middle character. If it's even, return the middle two characters. Got some examples going on. And from here we can go ahead and do some pseudocode. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this first. So we'll do a console. I would just do a get middle with some type of string. So we're going to test it with, let's go ahead and test it with middle. Okay, actually, let's test it with DD. And right now, I just want to return S. And let's do a console.log S. And this should just return. Yeah, return what I gave it. Okay, so now let's get to doing some pseudocode. So I need to get the length of this right here. And if it's even, do one thing. If it's odd, do one thing. Also, I can assume if there's nothing there, but I'm gonna assume there's always gonna be at least one character. So I'll do that one right off the bat. Say if s.length is equal to 1, then we'll just return s. So what do we do if it's 2? So like dd, well, we just return both of them. It's the same thing. So if it's equal to 1, or if s.length is equal to 2. In both of these situations, you would just return s. Because if it's 2, means it's even, you just return both of them. If it's 1, you just return that 1 anyway. So that actually what would happen if I did that dd. It just returned dd. So yeah, we don't need to do that one. Let's go ahead with middle. So in this case, we need to check to see if it's even or odd. Check if length is even or odd. Okay, in this case it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this case it's even. So I said if the s is string is even, then what we want to do is grab the middle 2. So we would divide this by 2. Take the string dot length divided by 2 minus 1 minus 1, and that would be our first one. So that would be our first character, and then whatever that is. So say this is index, I don't know, 3. So this would be 3, and then we do 3 and 4. So whatever that is plus 1. Oh, will it just be actually just this? So that's what we would return. Well, that would just give us the index. Those would give us the index that we want. So we return these two indexes. Return index of these things right here. So in the case that it's not even, so it'll be an else. We do the same thing, I believe, but I think I said I'd just do 1. So we'll go back to, let's say, testing. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, so it's 7 divided by 2. Oh, we'll just take the floor, so that would be 3. So it would be 1, 0, 1, 2, And so we'd grab this one value right here, or it'd be 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, same thing. Okay, so that would be index 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That would be index 3. So what I would do is return else. I need to return the index of s.length divided by 2. I want the floor of this. I just want to go back and double check for this statement right here. When it's even like this, I'm doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I divide 6 divided by 2. That put that in half. So that index would be 3. It'd be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 2, and 3. Yeah, so that'd be 3 and 4, but it'd be index minus 1, so it'd be 0, 1, 2. So that works. And I think it's the same thing for, well, it would be the same one for the odd one. So 7 divided by 2 is 3.5, so you just do the floor of that. So if this, so for example, this right here is 7 letters. The floor, 7 divided by 2 would be 3.5. And so the floor of that would be 3. So 3 minus, yeah, we just take 3. So it'd be 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so we got that. So we can just code this out real quick. Let's do it here. We gotta check to see if the length is even or odd. So we can do else if s.length mod 2 is equal to 0. Then what we can do is let index equal, set this s.length divided by 2. So we take that index for the first one and we'll do let index 2 equal, well, actually that would be minus 1, and this one should be just that. So then we would just return, we need to return, we can return a slice, I believe. Yeah, we can turn a slice, I believe. So we could do s.slice, and that would be index. And then it goes to index 2 plus 1. I believe that's how that's gonna go. Let's see, this one is even, so we can actually test that right now. Well, actually, let me just go ahead and else. So else we will return, oh, this index, that index equal math.floor of s.length divided by 2. And we're going to return s.slice. Well, actually, we can return the index of this one, s.index of index. And that looks like it's good. So we're gonna test like testing, of course, and that should return that T. Let's actually console.log this. Why did I get -1? Index of course, because it gave me an index of, not where the character is. So I do character at index. And we got a T there, so that checks out. And then test. Hopefully we only get ES, just the middle two. Awesome, we got ES. So those check out. So I'm going to go ahead and assume that the rest of this code is good, and we're going to go ahead and test it in Codewars. I can move this. Cross my fingers. Passed everything, so I'm kind of confident. Passed everything. And that's it.